Gonna wrap up the video. Here's the newer plug. This one before this is very minimal. I guess people were being too careless and putting their thumb on the prongs. Start it in oscillating mode. Come on, say it right. Let's turn it the other way. I don't have any room. I hear some drilling. The Dish Network guys here, I have no idea what they're doing. Maybe they're relocating the dish, I don't know. They kind of sound like this when there's a fan on in the background or something else. What are they doing? It's kind of vibrating, it's funny. I like the sound of it. It's kind of fast. It's on low. Creaky camera noises. I really hate that crap. Can't help it sometimes. Enable oscillation. It's kind of fast. I think some are faster than others. I have some that are kind of slow on slow, some that are a little bit faster on slow. Glad I'm coming up with video ideas to get away from TVs like that. Got more CRT TV videos in the works though, including one I got yesterday, which was a disappointment. That'll probably go away today. See, the plastic part broke off up there. I have one of the first gens that's just like that, doesn't have a thing on it, it's just a screw. And some of the same look the same don't. They'll have the plastic part. That's what I told the Superfan man, I think. So I guess there's two variations of that nut. Probably getting interrupted, but here's the, let's do spin down from medium. Probably service this one. I don't know if there's a video of it. It's more of a vlog type thing. I don't like do the full thing on camera. It'd just take even longer. And this one has the different blade, the rounded blade. Nice. Galaxy oscillating fan from 1979. Oh, I mean 1980. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Sure, I browse estate sales. That's where I get these from. Estatesales.net is where I look. There's a line through the battery. Anyway, these don't show up a whole lot anymore. I don't know why, but I don't need any more. I have like 12 of them. So that's enough. Look at that. Wonder if this has ridiculous jail bars and dead sound. Doubt it. It's cool to see another one though. Pretty sure they're more common in this guy's area. Wherever it is. I like to have the 19-inch version.